Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add voice into your design in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To start, you can click apps and then click AI powered. Now you can scroll down and try to find Voice. Give voice to your design with just one click. In just one click, add realistic voice full of emotion to your projects. Enter your text, choose your desired voice, and click generate voiceover. Click into your use in your design, and here we go. You can enter your text, choose your desired voice, and then click generate voiceover, and your voiceover will be ready. So here you can enter your text. You have 2 minutes of voiceover. Please fill out this field like let's eat. We can select voice. Matthews male, Alberto male, Gustavo male, or Isadora female. Then generate voiceover. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.